Snow on your roof is annoying. Ice dams are worth. And the quickest way to feel like a winter genius is owning a snow rake that actually reaches, doesn't wreck your shingles, and doesn't make your shoulders hate you tomorrow. So this video is a countdown from 5 best snow rakes for your roof, based on what it's really like to use them when it's cold, your hands are numb, and you just want the job done. Number 5. DOBEN Carbon Fiber Snow Roof Rake. The big headline here is reach. It's a telescopic pole that can extend from about 4.7 feet to 24 feet, and carbon fiber is the reason it doesn't feel like you're waving a steel pipe around your yard. The first time using it, the immediate win is maneuverability. Carbon fiber tends to feel lighter in hand, and that matters when you're doing repeated pull strokes from the ground. You can stand back, find a comfortable angle, and still get contact on the roof edge without stepping into that slippery danger zone near the house. Now, here's the part people don't always say out loud. With long telescoping poles, especially when fully extended, there's almost always some flex, and with this one at max extension, it can feel a bit springy when you try to muscle heavy wet snow. Like you pull, it bows, then it catches up a half second later. It's not unusable, but you notice it. Also, the long reach is awesome until you remember you still have to control the head on the far end. If your roof line is high and the snow is dense, the tool can feel slightly less precise, especially when you're trying to avoid snagging on edges or pulling too aggressively. That's where a more guided head design or wheels can really help, and this one leans more on the long pole advantage. If your top priority is a lightweight feeling pole with serious extension, the DOBEN makes sense. Number 4. Avalanche Snow Roof Rake Deluxe. This is one of the most established designs, and it's built specifically to remove snow from the roof edge to help prevent ice dams, which is usually where the trouble starts. The rake head is a durable 24-inch plastic head, and it has built-in wheels. Those wheels are not a gimmick. They're there to help the head glide and help protect the roof surface while you work, which is huge if you're the kind of person who gets nervous about scraping shingles. Reach is also straightforward. It ships with 5 lightweight aluminum handle sections that snap together for up to 20 feet of reach, so it's not the longest tool on this list, but it's enough for a ton of 1- and 2-story situations, especially if you're focused on clearing the first several feet from the eaves. Now, let me be a little picky, because this is where the Deluxe 20 can annoy you. The handle sections are modular, not a quick telescoping setup, so adjusting length mid-job isn't as instant as flip tab or telescopic systems. If you're bouncing between a garage roof and a main roof, you might find yourself doing that little take it apart, snap it back together dance in the snow. Still, it's versatile. The manufacturer notes it can be used on shingles, architectural asphalt, shake, tile, metal, and even solar panel roofs, which is a pretty wide range. 3. EVERSPROUT Never Scratch SnowBuster. This thing feels different immediately because it's more like a snow broom and roof rake hybrid. The head is foam designed specifically to avoid scratching, and that makes it feel way less stressful on delicate surfaces. The pole system is a big reason people love it. It uses a flip tab locking mechanism so you can set custom lengths instead of being stuck with fixed sections, and it adjusts roughly from 6.5 feet to 18 feet depending on the version, with the claim that standing reach can get up to about 24 feet high. That's a real convenience factor when you're moving around the house. In actual use, the S-shaped design is the underrated part. You can push or pull snow, so you're not locked into only dragging snow down. On lighter snowfalls, it's honestly satisfying. You make a couple passes and the roof edge clears without that harsh scraping sound. But here's what matters. Foam heads shine on fresh snow, not on ice. If the snow has melted and refrozen, or if you've got that crusty layer that feels like a frozen lasagna sheet, this tool is not here to fight that battle for you. It's designed for snow, not ice removal. Where it really wins is roofs you're nervous about damaging. Solar panels, metal roofing, anything you'd rather not rake aggressively. You trade some brute force cutting ability for peace of mind and speed on the right kind of snow. 2. Goplus Snow Roof Rake. This is the pick for people who want a more traditional rake it and yank it tool, but with comfort upgrades that make long sessions way more doable. The handle is aluminum, and the product listings commonly describe it as a long adjustable tool around the 20 to 21 foot class, with an ergonomic grip and a foldable design. That combination matters because it's the difference between, I'll do the front half of the house, to, okay, I can finish the back too. What surprised me in use is how much easier it feels to control compared to super whippy poles. Aluminum isn't as exotic as carbon fiber, but it can feel more predictable when you're pulling heavy snow. You pull, it responds. Simple, and honestly, that's what you want when it's freezing out. It's also a nice middle ground between a foam broom and a fully roof gliding system. You can clear a meaningful lane from the edge, and if you follow the basic advice of starting at the eaves and working carefully, you can reduce the snow load and lower the odds of ice dam headaches. The one thing to keep in mind is technique. Any rake can damage roofing if you grind it into shingles or get reckless with downward pressure. With this one, using smooth strokes and letting the tool do the work makes a bigger difference than trying to win against the roof. Work smart, not angry. MoNiBloom Roof Snow Rake with Snow Slide and Wheels. The name is a mouthful, but the concept is simple. It's a roof rake system designed to pull snow off efficiently while reducing the chance you scrape or gouge your roof. First, the reach. It's commonly listed as a 21.5-foot adjustable telescoping handle built from aluminum, so you can actually get up there without climbing a ladder. That alone is a safety upgrade because ladder plus snow plus roof edge is how people end up starring in a disaster story. Now the star of the show is that Oxford slide. Instead of just pulling snow and having it catch and clump, the slide creates a smoother path so snow can peel and move off the roof more cleanly. It turns the job into fewer strokes and less fighting. When it works right, you'll literally say, "Oh, that's it," out loud. And the wheels matter more than you think. With a wheeled head, you can keep contact without digging in. It helps maintain a consistent glide, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to clear several feet from the edge to cut down ice dam risk without turning your shingles into a scratch-off ticket. This is also the rake that felt the most system-like in real use, not just a long stick with a blade, but a setup that helps snow release. For homeowners who regularly get roof edge buildup, this style can make the job faster and less stressful.